What's going on, fellow engineers? In this video, I'm going to show you how to access Raspi Config as well as to perform updates with Raspi Config. To begin the process of accessing Raspi Config, you'll need to log into the Raspberry Pi using a terminal. So whether you use the terminal that's built onto the graphical version of the Raspberry Pi or you SSH in, either way will work. The purpose of Raspi Config is to be able to administer some of these settings that are exclusive to the Raspberry Pi. It's a utility of sorts, so a very minimal graphical type utility that allows you to change some of the settings and do some of the configurations that otherwise you would have to do via the command line. That would be a little bit more involved. So to begin with this, you'll need to, after you have your terminal window up, you'll run raspi-config, and you'll need to run that as the sudo user. And so there are a number of options in here that you have that you can do. So like changing passwords, configure network settings. That includes the Wi-Fi or network proxy, those type of things. You can also set a host name as well. To navigate between the options of what's up here at the top and the options down here at the bottom, you use the tab to go forward or shift tab to go backwards. And use the up and down arrows and the enter key to make your selection. So to do an update, you just scroll down. You can either press the key 8 on your keyboard, or you can scroll down to update and then hit enter. And so I'm gonna just scroll down and hit enter, and basically it runs apt-get update and apt-get upgrade for the Raspi Config tool. If there were some things that needed to be updated, it would show that here. But as you see, there's nothing to be updated because everything is up to date. So once it does complete, it returns back to the configuration tool, and you can change any other settings if you need to after that. So that concludes it for this particular video. Hopefully you've learned a little bit. If you have, please give this video a thumbs up. Also, be sure to subscribe if you have not already by clicking the subscribe button below. And until next time, peace out.